In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur your background on Zoom. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining privacy or simply keeping distractions hidden during your meetings. Whether you're preparing before your meeting or need to make adjustments during, I'll guide you through the steps on the desktop app to ensure your background appears seamlessly blurred. Let's start with how to set a blurred background before your meeting begins. First, you'll want to open the Zoom desktop app and make sure you've signed in with your credentials. Once the app is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the app where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. Navigating to the settings will allow us to customize how others see us during our virtual interactions. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Background and Effects. Depending on your version, you might see it listed as Virtual Backgrounds. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a new section where you can choose from various background effects that Zoom offers. Here, among the different choices, you'll find an option labeled Blur. Click on Blur, and instantly, Zoom will apply this effect, making your background out of focus while keeping you perfectly clear. This way, you'll have a tidy and professional look for your meeting without the distraction of whatever might be going on behind you. But what if you find yourself already in a meeting and need to blur your background on the spot? Don't worry, Zoom has made it simple to alter your settings even while you're mid-meeting. As you participate in your video call, you might notice the toolbar disappearing from view for a cleaner screen. To bring it back, simply move your mouse and it should pop right up at the bottom of your screen. On this toolbar, find the camera icon labeled Stop Video. Right next to it, you'll see a small upward arrow. Click on this up arrow to reveal a drop-down menu of video settings. Among these options, you will see Blur My Background. Select this option, and right away, Zoom will apply the blur effect to your current background, keeping the focus on you. And there you have it. A quick and straightforward way to blur your background on Zoom meetings. Whether you want to set the stage before your meeting gets underway or need to take care of it swiftly during, these steps will ensure you always have the best appearance for your virtual interactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy Zooming!